So we're working on a Whirlpool Maytag washer. This is the one with the wash plate. And complaint was grinding noise and basically grinding noise. So if you notice your washer is not moving the clothing,
I just start to work now.
Right.
No, it's agitating. It's just the shaft is not moving. The wash blade is not moving. And that's what that noise we're hearing is.
that means its agitator is bad. Right now we're removing any moisture, water, or contaminants that was in the bolt hole. You want to make sure that when you put the bolt in, it's nice and clean. So take a look at this. This is your wash plate. See how it turns? That's not good. It's not supposed to turn like that. Here's a new one. Look at that. Can't move. That's a good one. So the wash plate actually, the transmission or the stator, that's what moves your clothing. So if that part is not moving, then you're not washing your clothes at all. It's just standing still in water. And that's locked tight so that you have a nice and secure I'm going to torque it in or torque it down. Put the cap on. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Happy fixing it.